Hiccup. This is Berk, son. It's our home. It was the home of your grandparents and their grandparents before them. It was my job as chief to protect us, Hiccup. And one day, when you're all grown up, that job will be passed on to you.
Okay.
It was very important, son, because out there, beyond the sunset, lies the home of the dragons.
Wow.
Aye. Legends tell of ships that sailed too close to it, only to drop off the edge of the world, never to be seen again. But those sailors who turned back told tales of a great waterfall and dragons guarding the entrance to a hidden world.
Wow.
Not just a nest, Hiccup, but a land from which all dragons come.
Even night furies?
Especially night furies.
Those are scary.
Don't you worry. One day I'll find the hidden world and seal it up, so that people and dragons will fight no more.
Berk was a land of kill or be killed, but I believed peace was possible.
Stop! You'll only make it worse!
It was a very unpopular opinion. Then, one night, a dragon broke into our house, finding you in the cradle. I rushed to protect you. But what I saw was proof of everything I believed. This wasn't a vicious beast, but an intelligent, gentle creature whose soul reflected my own.
Valka, run!
No, don't!
Hold on!
No! Stoick!
Valka!
Valka. You and your father nearly died.
Son, you should be asleep.
I was thirsty.
Now, come here.
Dad, are you gonna get us a new mom?
I don't want another. Your mom was the only woman for me. She was the love of my life. But with love comes loss, son. It's part of the deal. Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, it's all worth it. There's no greater gift than love.